Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds. These are MTW3s, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not pairing with each other, like you're only getting sound out of the left ear, or if they are not pairing or syncing at all with Bluetooth, or they're not pairing or connecting to your device, or they keep disconnecting. A lot of issues like that can be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds and pair them on new devices, we can go ahead and get a fresh start. It's really easy to do. The first thing you want to do is go to your phone or whatever devices you've had this paired with in the past and turn the Bluetooth off, because this will not work if these earbuds connect to anything. And then what you want to do is you can go ahead and have the earbuds in the case as shown here, and we're just going to come in and take one of the earbuds out of the charging case, leaving the other one in the charging case. Once we do that, we're just going to come and press and hold the touch panel on the earbud that's not in the case. Hold it for 10 seconds until the LED on the earbud blinks green and red alternatively. Now you can stop. Once it starts to blink, let go of the button or stop touching the back of the earbud, and then put the earbud back in the case. Leave the lid of the case open and then just wait for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, the earbuds will be reset to the factory default settings. They'll automatically pair with one another, and then you can go ahead and take them out and pair them with a new device.